I'm Sebastian. What's your name?
Jacob, nice to meet you.
So what's your trade?
So I'm a plumber here at the Port of Seattle. Basically, we're working on maintaining all the piping systems on all the port properties, whether it be the cruise terminals or just port properties with buildings.
So what's a normal day working as a plumber for the Port of Seattle?
Normally, so we start at 5:30. We come in here, we have our crew chief DJ. He gives us the rundown for the day. We get our tasks. Generally, it's not like hard and fast rule because we are service. So we do deal with service calls. So we're always working on something, but we're ready to go deal with whatever emergencies that we have. Like at the docks, there's hose bibs for the hoses there because there's some liveaboard marinas. So someone might hit that and there might be a geyser in the middle of winter and we have to go deal with it. So yeah, normally we're just taking care of whatever needs to be fixed. We're working on projects.
What training did you have to do to become a plumber?
So for a plumber, it's a 4-year apprenticeship. It's pretty simple. You just need a high school diploma or GED. You either go down to your local union and you sign up for the program, or you go through whatever company that you want to work for, non-union. You start off green, you will get your hours, and then once you meet your requirement, you can go to your first year of school. Depending on where you are, it's a certain type of block. So I did my blocks in 1 month. So I would get my hours, go to school for a month, and then go back to work. Once you complete that schooling and you have the hours, that's your level that's done. You do that 4 times, and then you write your journeyman exam, and then you journey out, and then you're a journeyman plumber.
Did you know you wanted to be a plumber during high school?
I knew that I didn't want to work in an office. I didn't want to be stuck inside in a chair in front of a screen. I can definitely do that for a little bit, but I get too antsy just sitting there. So I like being able to work with my hands, and I just like being able to do something physical.
Do you always plan on being a plumber, or do you plan on like moving up somewhere else or changing fields?
I like being a plumber right now. You know, I always have options in mind, like always wanted to be a firefighter or moving up as a plumber, you know, becoming a project manager or superintendent or something that's a step above.